Every year, thousands of people are injured due to trip hazards on sidewalks, curbs, walkways, and parking areas. These pavements deteriorate over time due to weather and age. Uneven surfaces might seem minor, but to someone walking, especially the elderly or disabled, they can be dangerous. In the US alone, over 1 million emergency room visits each year are due to slip, trip, and fall accidents. Of these, over 17,000 result in fatalities, making falls the second leading cause of unintentional injury deaths worldwide. For property owners and managers, the financial consequences can be severe. The average trip and fall claim settles for $30,000 to $40,000, and some lawsuits exceed six figures, especially if negligence is proven. Many insurance providers now require proactive maintenance to avoid higher premiums or coverage gaps. Fixing hazards early is not just smart, it's a legal and financial shield. Small repairs, like leveling a lifted slab or filling a sidewalk void, cost a fraction of what a single claim could. As a property manager, your responsibilities go beyond collecting rent. You manage safety, reputation, and risk. Tenants and visitors expect well-maintained properties, and so do courts and insurers. FastPatch is fast, cost-effective, and can be done in-house by your own people. FastPatch sets up in less than an hour, with additives even quicker. FastPatch is not just used by smart property managers, but also by airports for runways and by state departments of transportations across the country for its reliability and strength. Whether it's a minor sidewalk sprawl or a major pothole issue, restore safety and peace of mind before a lawsuit walks through your door. Don't wait for an accident to act. Because safety isn't optional, it's your responsibility.